Hello guys, I want to talk about my language, which is the Nembe language. In the English language, we have 26 alphabets, but it is not the same with the Nembe language. This is due to the sounds we have in the Nembe language. Now, if you want to be good in pronouncing our native names, you need to be acquainted with this our dialect. Now I want to read from A to Z in Nembe language. Now this one is A. This one is A in English, but it's not A in Nembe. This is A, B, B, C, D, D, A, F, G, E, E, A, G, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, R, C, S, T, U, O, V, W, E, G. Now, if you look at these alphabets, you will notice that here, after the P, we don't have the Q. It's because we don't have Q sound in the Nembe language. Then after the W, the X, we don't have the X sound in the Nembe language. Then the B, we have two B, two sounds. D also we have two sounds. D, D. Then the E, we pronounce it A. The other one two sounds. A. Then the I, E, two sounds. Then the M is also two sounds. We have me. N is also two. Ni, ne. O, two sounds. O. Then the S is also two. C, se. U, two sounds. U, o, two sounds. Then there are other sounds apart from these sounds, these alphabets here, like the G, B. This one is B. Then we have G, S, O, or. Then we have the N, Y, O, yon. It is actually pronounced yon, while some people are using NYU, but this is the right one, yon. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about these sounds and others in the Nembe language.